Hey there, Porsche fans. Rich Dalmazio from Porsche Greenwich. How are you? I'm here to show you a brand new Purpurite Metallic Cayenne Turbo that we just received. This car has clear taillights, sport exhaust in black, sport design package, and 22-inch 911 turbo design wheels with ceramic brakes hidden right behind those beautiful wheels. It has the sport design front bumper with LED matrix headlights. It also has heads-up display, heated windshield, and much more. Let's take a look at the side. Side window trim in high gloss black, sport chrono package. Both vehicle keys are painted with a key pouch. It has premium package plus. Now let's look inside. This one has the black and Bordeaux Red full leather interior with the interior trim in anthracite chestnut with aluminum inlays. We also have Porsche Crests on the headrests, which I'll show you in a second. Bose sound package, sport chrono, as I said. Smoking package, which gives you an extra interior outlet. Plug in your phone or any other types of accessories. Full panoramic roof system comes included with the package. And much, much more. 4-zone climate control in the rear, comfort access, keyless access, and lane change assist. For more details, check this vehicle out on our website. Please reach out to us on Instagram, follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. We can be found at PorscheGreenwich.com. We look forward to seeing you in our showroom. Once again, Rich Dalmazio, Porsche Greenwich. Thanks for watching.